Good morning, students. Today we will continue the previous topic which we have started earlier, birds in the sky. Up till now we have seen how to draw different birds. Then we have seen how to draw background for your birds. Today you will see different types of bird again. You will see how to draw a bird which looks so much real. So let's start drawing different birds.
Children, let us start with the simple drawing of a bird. This is a sparrow. So this is the beak of the bird, eyes, and the tail. The wings of the bird. Legs, sitting on a branch of a tree. So now we'll move to the next bird. So as you guess from the beak itself, it is what? This parrot. Yes. So you can identify from the beak. This is the shape of the parrot. Wings. Feathers or wings and the small textures in that. Legs. See the shape sitting on a branch. So this is another type of bird. With the horn on the top and a small beak. These are the wings. Tail, legs, on a branch of a tree. Now we'll draw another bird. The bird is flying. Tail. See the shape of the tail. So in this way you can draw various types of bird in various actions, position. Each and every bird differ from each other in size, shape as well as in colors. So this bird is flying in the sky. See the wings. See the angle. Now the legs. So this is done. So we will draw one more type of bird. As you can guess from the curved neck. So this is which bird? This is our national bird, and that is peacock. So let us draw the legs. of the peacock, the colorful feathers, the design in that. So the peacock is very beautiful. You have seen the picture, how nice the feathers are. So children, we have seen the drawings of the various birds. In the next video, we will see few more drawings. So we will meet in the next video. Till that time, you have to take care of yourself and bye bye.